Hi, my name is Eustace Oseremen Eustace, and today we're going to be learning about combination under advanced mathematics. Combination is the arrangement of elements in which the order is neglected, and it can be used to solve life problems. So if we have these alphabets here and we have to arrange them two at a time, so that means we are arranging them in A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E, B, C, B, D, B, E, C, D, C, E, and D, E. So these are the outcomes. And here is the formula for combination. That's n combination R is equal to factorial n over factorial n minus R factorial R. So let's start with an example. That's going to be 5 combination 3. 5 combination 3, as you see from this, is going to be factorial 5 all over factorial 5 minus 3 factorial 3. So that's going to be equal to factorial 5 all over factorial 2 factorial 3. So one thing you should know is factorial 5 is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that's what we're going to put here. That's going to be 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over factorial 2 is going to be 2 times 1, and factorial 3 is 3 times 2 times 1. So 2 here cancels this 2 here, 2 here cancels this 4, leaving it with 2, 3 here cancels this 3 here, and then 1 is left out. So that's going to be 5 times 2. That's giving you 10 ways. Note, ways is the unit for combination. Alright, so let's dive into our next example. Which is x combination 2 plus x combination 3 minus 4x is equal to 0. So x combination 2 is equal to factorial x all over factorial x minus 2 factorial 2. And then for x combination 3 here, x combination 3 is going to be equal to factorial x all over factorial x minus 3 factorial 3. So one thing you guys should note is factorial x is equal to x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 ... continuation. So let's dive into it. So that's going to be factorial x. For this x combination 2 is going to be x times x minus 1 times x minus 2. That's why I'm going to stop. All over x minus 2 combination x minus 2 is going to be x minus 2 x minus 3 continuation. So let's just leave x minus 2 there, and then times factorial 2 is 2 times 1, so that's 2. Since there's x minus 2 and there's x minus 2 here, they cancel out, leaving you with x times x minus 1 all over 2. So that's for the first one. For the next one, which is x combination 3, is going to be x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3. continuation. So all over, there is x minus 3 here. This is factorial x minus 3. I just said let me just let it be as x minus 3, and then factorial 3 is 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to be 6 times 6. So that's going to be, since there is x minus 3 here and there is x minus 3 here, you cancel out. So that leaves you with x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 all over 6. So that's what we got. So let's bring out both of our. So since we have gotten our two figures here, I'm going to erase this upper part to put them because we need them. So that's going to be x times x minus 1 all over 2 for our first one, and then we got x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 all over 6. So if you guys were noting the question down, you guys are going to see that we said what we got for this, that's x combination 2, which is what we got here, plus x combination 3 here. So we're going to add them. Minus 4x is equal to 0. So that's going to be x times x minus 1 all over 2 plus x times x minus 1 x minus 2 all over 6 minus 4x is equal to 0. Balance, that's over 1 over 1. And then we find the LCM. LCM of this is 6. 6 into 2 is 3. 3 times x is 3x times x minus 1 plus 6 into 6 is 1. 1 times all of this is going to be x, open special bracket, x minus 1 times x minus 2, close the special bracket. And then 6 into 1 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24 minus 24x is equal to 6 into 1 is 6 times 0 is 0. So that's going to be 3. Since there is an equality sign here, we cancel out this LCM, we stroke it out. So that's going to be 3x times x is going to give you 3x squared. 3x times minus 1, that's plus times minus, minus 3x times 1 is 3x plus x times open special bracket, this x times x minus 2 minus 1 times x minus 2. So this is expansion that I'm doing right now. Minus 24x is equal to 0. Therefore, that's going to be 3x squared minus 3x plus x, open your special bracket, x times x, x squared, plus times minus, minus, x times 2, 2x, minus times plus, minus, 1 times x, x, minus times minus, plus, 1 times 2, 2. Close your special bracket, minus 24x is equal to 0. So I'm going to erase the top now. So next is going to be 3x squared minus 3x plus x, open your special brackets, x squared minus 2x minus x. So if you are owing 2 naira and you are owing another 1 naira, that's going to give you 3 naira that which you are owing. So that's going to be minus 3x plus 2 minus 24 is equal to 0. So that's going to be 3x squared minus 3x plus x, open your special brackets, x squared minus 2x minus x is going to be minus 3x plus 2 minus 24x is equal to 0. Therefore, that's going to be 3x squared minus 3x plus x times x squared is going to give you x cubed plus times minus x times 3x squared plus times plus x times 2 is 2x minus 24x is equal to 0. So that's going to be 3x squared minus 3x. I'm going to be bringing all the x's together. So that's going to be minus 3x. This plus 2x here comes here. That's plus 2x minus 24x. And then we'll bring this plus x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x squared. So minus 3x squared plus 3x squared, this will cancel out. So this 3x squared cancels out this 3x squared, that's plus 3x squared minus 3x squared, they cancel out. And then we bring out this power because it's the highest, we bring it first, x cubed minus 3x plus 2x minus 24x is equal to 0. So that's going to be x cubed minus 3x plus 2x is minus x minus 24x is equal to 0. Therefore, that's going to be x cubed minus x minus 24x is minus 25x is equal to 0. So I'm going to erase this sign here. And then that's going to be x cubed, remove this over there, is equal to my minus becomes plus. So that's going to be 25x. Then we'll divide both sides by x over x. So x, this x here slashes out one x from here and it becomes x squared. This x slashes out this x and leaves it with 25. So therefore x squared is equal to 25. So when we find the square root of both sides, square cancels square roots. Therefore x is equal to root 25 is 5. And note, root comes with plus or minus. So that's going to be plus or minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to plus 5 or minus 5. But since we use positive values for combination, x will be equal to 5. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be updated in case any video like this comes up. Thank you.